Thank you, Jean-Paul, for inviting me. Hello to the audience. We have a very short introduction of Reiling, what we are doing. So Reiling at a glance. So let's see if it's working. Yeah, it is working. So first of all, I want to introduce myself because I think I'm not that well known. I'm 38 years old, and I studied environmental process engineering and recycling. And then I started to get in contact with glass. It's 10 years ago. I wrote my master thesis about a very important topic, even now, fine grain production during container glass processing. Then I started to work in the research and development department. There it was always very important to optimize the recycling. This is our goal today, and this is what we are discussing later on, how we can avoid losses during the recycling. And I'm more the technical guy, so I always try to find technical solutions to avoid losses. And in the last 2 years, I work in the management. I'm in the technical direction. And there is one sentence which is always, from Mr. Reiling. They said always, today's progress is tomorrow's standards, and this is something, I believe in. So maybe some facts about the group, Reiling Group of companies. So it's a family-run recycling company in its 4th generation. So it's committed to the collection and recycling of a wide range of material. Today we have the focus on the glass recycling. So we do on different facilities. We recycle container glass and flat glass. This is one stream of the recycling. Then we also do the PET bottle recycling on different locations. Then we have complete other topics. It's electronics, it's photovoltaic recycling. We actually do in Münster, we do wood recycling, and we are producer of foam glass so far. So we have 650 employees in Europe, and the goal is to close the cycle as good as possible and conserve resources. When we discuss about the glass recycling, I just want to show the different locations we have so far. So in general, we have 19 sites in Germany and in abroad so far. So in Germany, we do glass recycling in Gladbeck, in Lünen, in Marienfeld, in Lauenburg, in Osterwedding, and in Torgau. When we go to the east, we do at 2 locations glass recycling in Poland. We have in the north, we have 2 locations in Denmark and 1 location in Sweden. When we discuss about photovoltaic, it's Münster, and the other ones are PET and foam glass production. So we collect and process over 1 million metric tons of glass. Our goal is always to process it in a closed loop. So we try to keep the material as good as possible, and we try to expand in a dynamical way our recycling capacities. And of course, we are relying on new technologies so that we can fulfill the quality and quantity requirements in the future. Because I think there is, the quality is more and more important, especially when we have a very high cullet rate, which is very positive. So we always try to invest in these areas. So I think this is just a first rough overview, and I think in the panel discussion we will get a little bit closer or more in details. So this was from my side what I want to say. Jean-Paul.